Dear students, welcome back to English Guru Solanki Sir ki English ki class. And today's topic is How I Saved the Client by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, to whom we used to call Mahatma Gandhi. From BA Part 2 English Language, Unit 1, second chapter. So, this is a story of Mahatma Gandhi and his Parsi client Rustam ji. When Mahatma Gandhi was practicing law in South Africa, Rustam ji, a Parsi living in South Africa, was Gandhi's client and co-worker. Gandhiji is now going to acquaint him with the reader. Rustam ji had deep confidence in Gandhiji. He sought Gandhiji's advice in all affairs. Even he did not hesitate to accept Gandhi's quack treatment when he fell ill. Rustamji once fell in trouble. He had an export and import business. He often imported goods from Bombay and Calcutta by smuggling. But he held it back from Gandhiji. His involvement in smuggling had not been officials. They trusted him so deeply that they did not check his imported goods. But one day his smuggling was exposed. Rustamji rushed to Gandhiji with fearful eyes and admitted to him that he was involving in smuggling. He requested Gandhiji to save him from dishonor. He further told him that Gandhiji could alone save his fame and reputation from being malignant. Rustamji was repented for the guilt or crime he had committed. Gandhiji assured him that he would try his best to save him, but first of all, he would try his best to save this guilt. Everything depended on God. Inquiry revealed that Rustamji had been involved in smuggling for a long time. But the amount in question involved a trifling sum. Rustamji's counsel said that a nettle jury could acquit him of the charge. It was not a hopeless case. Rustamji wanted to be counseled or guided by Gandhiji instead of his old lawyer. Gandhiji wanted to meet both the custom officials and the attorney general, as both of them had the power to prosecute Rustamji. But Gandhiji also told Rustamji to be prepared to go to jail, as that would be a good penance for him. In Gandhi's view, imprisonment was not the true punishment for the crime he had committed. Rustamji promised not to be involved in smuggling in future. Rustamji told Gandhiji that his name and fame was at stake, but finally he surrendered himself to Gandhiji. Gandhiji tried his best to persuade the customs officials not bring the case to the court. He also wrote to the attorney general and then personally meet him so that Rustamji was not prosecuted in the court. The attorney general was at last convinced, and he admired Gandhiji for his free and frank arguments. At last, the case of Rustamji was settled by a compromise. Rustamji promised not to commit crime in future. He had to pay double the amount he had earned by smuggling as penalty. He was acquitted to decide that someone is not guilty of a crime of the charge. Rustamji set the record and hung up on the wall of his office all about the case as a reminder to intending offender. Lastly, in this way, Gandhiji saved his client Rustam, a Parsi. So, dear students, now come to the summary in Hindi about the short story How I Saved a Client by Mahatma Gandhi. ये कहानी है उस समय की जब महात्मा गांधी दक्षिण अफ्रीका में वकालत करते थे और उन्होंने अपने एक क्लाइंट रुस्तम जी को एक जुर्म से बरी करवाया था। रुस्तम जी एक बहुत बड़े व्यापारी थे जो आयात निर्यात यानी कि इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट का व्यापार करते थे और बहुत भारी मात्रा में बंबई से कलकत्ता माल ले जाते थे। उसी दौरान रुस्तम जी ने नेवी के अधिकारियों से बहुत अच्छी जान पहचान बना ली और उस जान पहचान का उन्होंने दुरुपयोग करना शुरू कर दिया और अपने व्यापार को गलत तरीके से स्मगलिंग के द्वारा शुरू कर दिया। उनका सामान कभी पकड़ा भी नहीं गया क्योंकि वो जांच से बच जाते थे उन नेवी के अधिकारियों के परिचय की वजह से। रुस्तम जी को इस गैर कानूनी व्यापार को करते हुए डर भी नहीं लगता था। उनका मानना था कि ये सब व्यापार को बढ़ाने के ही पैतरे हैं। कस्टम के अधिकारी के पूछने पर वो अपने कानूनी आयात के कागज दिखा देते थे। किसी को खबर नहीं थी कि रुस्तम जी ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं। जब रुस्तम जी का यह गैर कानूनी व्यापार सामने आया तो बहुत परेशान होना पड़ा। रुस्तम जी को सबसे ज्यादा डर इस बात का था कि अगर वो जेल गए तो उनकी बरसों की कमाई इज्जत खाक में मिल जाएगी। उनके लिए पैसों से ज्यादा सम्मान का नष्ट होना बहुत बुरी बात थी। वो जानते थे कि पैसे तो वो फिर भी कमा सकते हैं, लेकिन एक बार अगर इज्जत खो गई तो वो दोबारा नहीं कमा पाएंगे। रुस्तम जी अपनी समस्या लेकर गांधी जी के पास गए। वो अपनी सभी गलतियां स्वीकार कर लेते हैं और उनसे मदद मांगते हैं, तो महात्मा गांधी हमेशा की तरह सच बोलने के लिए उन्हें प्रेरित करते हैं। वो रुस्तम जी को अपनी गलती मानने को कहते हैं और दोबारा कभी ऐसी गलती करने के लिए वचन लेते हैं और एक मौका देने के लिए कहते हैं कि एक बार ईमानदारी से व्यापार करके देखो। रुस्तम जी को स्मगलिंग से कमाई राशि की दुगनी राशि सजा के तहत जमा करनी पड़ती है। वो कसम खाते हैं कि कभी ऐसी गैर कानूनी तस्करी वो दोबारा नहीं करेंगे। गांधी जी अपने इस अलग अंदाज से रुस्तम जी की मदद करके उन्हें जेल जाने से बचाते हैं और उनमें ईमानदारी का भाव पैदा करते हैं। इस कहानी से हमें ये पता चलता है कि हमें हमेशा अपनी गलती मान लेना चाहिए समय से और अपनी गलती का सुधार करके अपने जीवन को सरल बनाना चाहिए और मुश्किलों से बचाना चाहिए। So, dear students, this is the summary of the chapter How I Saved a Client of Mahatma Gandhi. Now come to the questions. First of all, long question. How a client was saved by Gandhi ji. Second question है, what do you learn from the story how a client was saved? Third question है, why had Rustam ji's smuggling offense was not discovered earlier? And also prepare some objective questions for your examination. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share your channel English Guru by SS Solanki on YouTube, and keep learning